Alright, hello people. Today is Friday and we're trading US 100. You can't see it, but right now on another screen we have a 50. Sorry, I have a new account in which I'm trying to pass the Eval. So let's start with analysis. Today I was bearish. I was bearish because yesterday price closed below previous daily low, as you see here. This is the closing and this is previous daily low. So it's true that we have a long week, that price can still go lower, but it's not that common. If we would have left a smaller week, well, that's high probabilities, but right now I had a little doubt because we're inside of this range, so it's not like we have a very clear bias. But still, this is expansion lower, this is the retracement back, and price here starts consolidating. But as you see, even if price disrespected these two bearish fair value gaps, you see exactly the mean threshold, and broke above this 1 hour CISD, that doesn't mean price will go higher. That just means price will go and search for a higher objective. Maybe we'll just rebalance. In this case, price just went to clear Asia highs, and now this is perfect setup for me to go short. So what I will search for is, as you see in the 2 minute, we have this high, low, high, high, and then I want to see prices make a lower low. But I will just wait for price to close below this 2 minute CSD, then wait for price to retrace. The only thing that I do not like much is that price, like this CSD has a long wick, so sometimes price won't go back to the top of the wick, like to the close of the body. Maybe it will just go to the when here the only problem is we have no well, I can put it here actually. This could work as a breakaway gap. Well, my objective is these London's lows. Shit. But I will still make some partials along the way. Maybe I'll just wait for price to leave this, because here you see this probable fair value gap. It's good that it created, because this candle is the one that broke this CISD lower. So if it makes a fair value gap, it's high probability. Fuck, just missed it. Okay, not the best. Not the best reaction. Let's search for maybe a higher time frame CISD. No, there's no higher time frame CISD. That's fine for me. This one high is fine for me, so it can work as a let's check it again. So we just swept buy side, especially these Asia highs. We left a long wick. Now we're in the middle of the displacement. Maybe price will be a bit choppy because we just swept Asia highs. But now, or well, price just closed below this 1 minute, 2 minutes CSD. And precisely I will be looking to price break lower right here. Oh, not the best. The best, but I'm still very bearish. I still did not enter on the challenge, like on the Eval account, cause well I wasn't sure about it. But like this is not a very clear setup, you know. If you see this is not very bearish. For this to be bearish, I would like to see price close below this, you know, which is in the 5 minute, which has much more liquidity than 2 minute. But we will see. Okay, there's not much we could do. Here, just wait for price to break lower. Alright, so I mean, if you see on the 1 minute price is just ranging, so I'll wait for price to break this 5 minute CSD lower. That will be my only reason, my only condition to go lower, like to sell, right? To be bearish. If price that if in this candle or in the next one, price does not close below this 5 minute CSD, I won't do anything. Like I won't open any position because that will be a low probability trade. So in this case, if price does close below here, I mean it's a bit too much of an objective, but it's fine. If not, I could just aim here. But still, I will be ambitious and I will take partials. I don't mind if price does not reach my TP. Well, in fact, yeah, I think I wouldn't be so ambitious because we just displace way too much, so I don't think price will continue displacing more. So maybe we'll just aim here. A 1 to 1.6 sounds nice. We're 2 minutes from closing, and it will be nice if price close below this this continuation of bearish candles. But we will see. Here, let me check out something. Because CSD. I promise that not touristic. No, it's not right. Okay, so hope price will retrace back. Well, at least until this point. And well, as you will see now, price did actually close below this this continuation of bearish candles, and actually we may reach to the long and lows, but I will have to see. I have to check it out. So the lowest I can reach, it will be these, like that, like this will be the order block.
order filled.
Nice reaction. I like how price just respected this 1 minute value up right in the mini threshold. And well, I didn't say, but for people that don't know, I open on my for people that don't know, I open right here. Exactly here, I think. Yeah, pretty much. So I opened just one micro. And I'm just risking $100 because I never use micro. I always trade it with US 100. But I will pyramid my position if I see a break lower here, and it will turn out just as a continuation model. So if I see price come back to this after closing low, okay. Here I will open 5 if I see price closing below. We have a bit of choppy price action. It's fine. Okay, so this is the thing. I got stopped out in the first trade of my challenge. Price is just very choppy, like you see, it has no direction at all. It's just ranging. I think this fucking accumulation. But I don't know why it looks so clean. Like we had a sweep, displacement lower. Like for me, this was a good setup. We're on the, like we're finishing the macro. Theory, this was my 5-minute CSD. My stop loss should be here. So this will be something like this. But why? Like I'm not going to open again here, because like even if the model is like this, we're in accumulation. Price can just sweep these highs because we're accumulating. Like there's no specific reason for price to go somewhere, you know. That's a shitty thing, but it might happen sometimes. This actually looks bearish. Like as I explained y'all, the model is this thing. But as you said, we're in accumulation. It's not the best thing to open now. And actually, price, I think, will sweep these highs. Like this is relatively high. Well, we have an SMT, so that might be a reason to go lower, because we just create an SMT. Oh, we do have an SMT. I don't know if price will sweep these highs or not. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. If it doesn't, I mean, that's something good. It's good actually, because it means reversal. So yeah, we hope it stays like that and reverses lower. Well, if we start seeing price displace lower and inversions, and I mean, yes, it's much clearer. Like you see, expansion and clear accumulation, a sweep of low resistance liquidity, and in best case, a reversal. So again, we have a sweep, displacement lower, a retracement, and SMT. And I'm thinking I'm opening here because, like, this is my model within an accumulation. What is my model? You know what, actually? Well, it looks like price is not expanding lower. It's taking its time, unfortunately. mean, SMT is still there. Now we should start seeing some displacement lower. Hopefully. Which one is it? This one. It's this one. It's not the best delivery, like The fuck is this one wick? I will just wait for price to maybe make up some CSD for 3 or 5 million. I don't think I want to go lower than that. Still, I think this counts as CSD. This last week counts. Okay, I think we're finally getting out of this fucking consolidation. And the only, let's say, condition that we have is this 5 minutes. JZ, although it's a bit long, it's not the best, but it counts. And I hope price won't go lower after taking this CSD, because it could happen. Just displace lower and continue running lower. Doesn't even stop for a minute. But if you see in 15 minutes, there's a lot of weak and like shit movement. It's clearly we swept Asia highs. We swept these relative equal highs, close below that. Well, now in the 5 minute we'll wait for price to close below the 5 minute CSD, then retrace back, and I will put my stop loss. If it leaves a free rally gap, like if this candle leaves a free rally gap, I'll put my stop loss up here. But yeah, at this point I think I will maybe aim for, let's try it out. In first place this low as first objective, and then I will aim for, I think, this low right here. Maybe I will Maybe I'll put my TP down here. And maybe price here, it will just sweep these lows and that's it, and then it will expand higher. Which could happen actually. Because we're getting out of an accumulation. So it could happen that price just, yeah, you see, that's what I was talking about. So we have 30 seconds left. And as I said, if price leaves a fair value gap, which we'll probably do, I will put my stop loss up here because I want to see price return to this fair value gap slash the CID. And in an expansion, when you want to enter in the retracement, if you enter on this fair value gap, you wanna put your stop loss well above the third candle, which will be here. But we already have a lot of expansion, so I don't think price will come back here, like up to here, because this is already a balanced zone. Some like unlike any kind of retracement back here. And this should be considered as a wake up because we're already out of the accumulation. Yeah, alright. TP will be here. I know it's a bit optimistic.
Order filled.
Wait, what?
Order filled.
Fuck is this? I really don't get this. Like,
Gancho,
¿qué?
¿qué te gustaría almorzar?
Lo que vos quieras.
¿Querés probar arroz con huevo frito?
Si querés.
No, me dijiste lo que yo quiera, te digo, eso puede ser una opción.
No, si... Se me agarra como huevo frito, entonces. Mira mismo.
Bueno. ¿Te dejo un poquito abierto ahí para que salga el fresquito o querés cerrado?
I will just, I don't know. I don't get this. I really don't understand this. I don't get the, I don't know. I don't get it. Obviously I won't trade again today. I'm done. And I don't know. We will see next Monday. We hope price action delivers properly. But yeah, I mean, fucking shitty price action. Just shitty price action. You can't trade here. It's impossible. There's no way you can trade here. So yeah, today I took 2 losses, about 400 bucks within, like, in my challenge account. That's around, that's almost 1%, but that's not really, like, I don't really care about the like, I care because I lost, right? But I don't care about the quantities because that's, like, I can make around 600, 700 in one trade, maybe 800. So the RR doesn't bother me. Just the price, just the fact of losing two consecutive trades is just